This is Maxload Air Suspension. All right, so here's a front strut, and I'm incredibly impressed for the price point. First off, starting on the top, you do have 32-way adjustable damping, adjustable camber plates, which is huge. If you're looking for all that camber, you can get it. Working our way down, you have a double bellow bag, and they honestly feel pretty good. These have a threaded damper body. That is huge with regard to fine-tuning your setup with regards to lift, ride heights, whatever it might be. The threaded damper bodies with the lock collars are allowing you to do all of that. Honestly, consistency all around is here. Granted, it's not gonna be able to compete with higher end products like our very own super low air suspension with regards to overall drive feel and aggressive low drive heights. But at the end of the day, this is a really good bang for buck. Maxload is making a pretty phenomenal product for those that are working with a tighter budget, but really want features like 32-way adjustable dampers, camber plates, and threaded damper bodies.